welcome to the vlog. Today we're out on an afternoon ride. Hey, music. I wasted about 30 minutes up there in Buwak because I got a flat. My spoke broke and then that made the air out of the tubeless tires come out. I put in an inner tube in the back tire. So far so good, as long as I don't flat. We're up here in Trans Central right now and we're gonna go somewhere I've never biked before. Let's go. Yes, we're gonna go here, this road. I think this is still part of Babag. If I can recall, the sign said Lava Farm. So we'll try to go all the way there, maybe make a wrong turn and find our way back to Trans Central. And yeah, that's the goal for today. It kind of sucks I wasted 30 minutes already on the flat, but wanted to do anywhere from 3 to 4 hours of cycling today and just see where the little bike takes us. Oh, it's nice here. Pretty. We'll check it out. I hope I don't puncture. It's gonna be hard to go back home if I puncture. No flat tires, no flat tires. Ever since turning left from Trans Central to that Lava Farm sign, after that slight uphill, it was all downhill after that. Going back up is going to be tiring. If you can see in the footage, it was basically all downhill. Sometimes I wish I had I always wish I had a better GoPro. Like shots like that would be really nice on a image stabilized GoPro. One of these days I'm going to upgrade this GoPro Hero 2. And you're gonna get like buttery smooth video. Alright, let's keep going. Made it. I don't know what's here. Now I'm heading back uphill the whole way. Okay, that's gonna be bit of a climb. I wonder how many meters this is gonna be. Took a detour going home, trying out another route. Lots of places to explore really here in Cebu. It's just that they're hard to get to, and in this case hard to get out. So I'm gonna head back towards Trans Central right now. Feels like this is gonna be a good day. grueling climb. This is the start of a grueling climb. Hey, that's why we exercise, right? So we can do stuff like this. You know when you're going so slow, look at that guy. You know when you're going so, try going up there. Let's see. I didn't make it. I don't think I want to go up there anymore. Alright. Afternoon, Mom. You know when you're going so slow and then the local kids can keep up with you? That's how steep it is. Just finished the ride, got home just in time. It's a bit dark, but not so dark. It's 6 o'clock. So that was good. Proper mixed terrain ride. Proper gravel grind for the little midnight special. And shout out Dustin Klein, ride by the numbers, 41.44 kilometers, 3 hours 30 minutes and 8 seconds moving time, and 1,278 meters of elevation gain. Here's to more rides. In fact, tomorrow there's another ride. Alright, see ya, bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.